Kenyans, in the last 24 hours, we have tested a total of 308 samples, out of which 5 people have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. 3 are Kenyans, while 2 are foreign nationals. And 3 of them had traveled, 1 each from Tanzania, and 1 from the UK and 1 from the United Arab Emirates. 3 of the cases are in Nairobi, while 2 are in Mombasa County. Only 1 of these cases came from mandatory quarantine facilities, while the rest 4 were picked by our surveillance teams from contact lists. This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive for the disease in the country to 184. The ages of the 5 new cases are between the ages of 39 and 77 years old. 3 are male, while 2 are female.